friends, we'll go ahead with the next task. So far we've been just sitting and talking, isn't it?
Yes.
So let us do something more specific, and what we are going to do now is called a group planning exercise. What's it called?
Group planning exercise.
The name as it suggests, in this I will be first explaining a sketch to you, and thereafter I'll give out a story which is related to the sketch, and after that you will be required to find out the problems and work out your individual solution, and thereafter come discuss and come to an agreed group solution. Therefore, unlike the previous task, in this particular task you have to reach a definite conclusion, that is your agreed group solution. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright, okay friends. Now I'll explain the various phases through which this task will be conducted. In the first phase, I'll explain a sketch. Try to understand the various features of the sketch, the colors, etc. If you have any doubt about the sketch, after my explanation you can ask me.
Yes.
Then I'll give out a story related to a sketch. Once again, if you have any doubts related to the story, you can ask me. Then I'll give you 5-minute time to read your own copy of the story, and then I'll collect the story sheets. Thereafter, I'll give you a clipboard and a sheet, and I'll give you 10 minutes time to write down your individual solution. After you have written your individual solution, at the end of 10 minutes, I will collect the clipboard and the sheets. Then we will all sit down and discuss and come to a agreed group solution. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Anyone amongst you will then present the agreed group solution. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts about the task?
No, sir.
Just sit down. As you can see, there are various colors on the sketch. What are the colors?
Blue, red, blue, black, white, blue.
Yeah. So we have various colors. We have off-white color, that is the bare color of the countryside. We have red color, which is in the form of a thick red band, depicts a metal road. The double dotted line depicts a kacha road. The single blue line depicts a canal, and the larger blue areas depict water bodies. Apart from that, you have the green color, which depicts a grove of trees or a collection of trees, and then there are black depicting various other objects on the screen. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you see onto the right hand side of the sketch, there is a letter N which has been marked. What does it show? It shows the direction of north. Anything in opposite direction is?
South.
Anything to the right is?
East.
To the left is?
West.
Okay. At the base of the sketch, you can see there is a scale which has been marked. The scale depicts that 10 centimeter on the sketch is equivalent to 1 kilometer on ground, and that is to be used to measure any horizontal distances and not any vertical distances. Are we clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we come to the important places on the sketch. You can see in the top, roughly towards the right, there is a place marked as the research center, which is connected by a pakka and a kacha road to the main road. Okay? And thereafter, there is a place marked as the upper canal. As we go clockwise, we come to an area marked as the boat club. And the boat club further on leads to a lake. And the lake at the southern part has got a grove. We can say it's a grove of fruit trees. Okay? Then, as we go in a cyclic order, on the western half of the lake, you have a village called Tanpur. And Tanpur has got a Shiv temple. Further on, the northern half of the lake, in the upper area on the shores, you have a village called village Jhala. Furthermore, as we go north from there, there is another village called Kotpur. And Kotpur has got over here what? A primary health center. What is a PHC?
Primary health center.
Now we see the connection of our roads. From this point up north, Nakoda is 40 kilometers, and the same road leads down further south from the point where the arrow is showing. From there, Manpur is 40 kilometers down south. Furthermore, at this point where I am indicating on the sketch, from here, Atri is 20 kilometers due west. Are we clear about the sketch?
Yes, sir.
Anyone, any doubts?
No, sir.
Right, friends, here is the story related to the sketch. You are a group of students going from Manpur to Nakoda in a van to participate in the inter-college sports meet, which is scheduled to start at 2 p.m. On your way, you decide to spend an hour at the boat club. Two of your friends who went for a ride in the lake near the grove in a motorboat discovered a man lying there. He was bleeding profusely. You understand the word profusely? They immediately rushed to rescue him. The man told them that he was a farmer from village Jhala and he had come to collect coconuts from the grove. He said that he had overheard 3 antisocial elements hiding in the grove discussing that half an hour back they had planted a bomb in the Shiv temple in Tanpur in the ongoing local fair, which would go off at 12:30 p.m. He further requested you to deliver coconuts to his house as they needed to be sold, they being their only source of livelihood in this season. The antisocial elements had beaten him up mercilessly and left him for dead. As you were evacuating him to the boat, he fainted. While rushing back to the boat club, you heard a loud crash near village Jhala. On reaching the boat club, your friends told you that a car had lost control and hit a roadside tree near the boat club. A scientist who was traveling in the car now was requesting for help in transporting a vital machine part weighing 150 kgs to the research center by 12:30 p.m. Otherwise, an important ongoing experiment would fail. Time now is 11 a.m. Placed in this situation, the telephone and mobile services are not available in the area. They are out of order. Placed in the situation, what will you do? Friends, are we clear about the sketch?
Yes, sir.
Are we clear about the story?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I'll give you your story sheets. Please take the clipboards from here. Just give it to others. 5-minute time for you to read your story sheet. Time starts now. One of you just collected. Yeah. Okay, write down your chest number and name on the clipboard. Sheet of paper which has been given.
It will only say the time in it also
Now friends, I am giving you 10 minutes time to write down your individual solution. You can sit anywhere you like, alright? If you want to be comfortable, you can sit anywhere you like. There's no problem. You don't have to sit in this semicircle. You can sit comfortably anywhere you like in this ground and write down your solution. I am giving you 10 minutes. Remember, it has to be your solution. Okay? Put your signature. Hand over your answer sheets along with your clipboard onto your left hand side. Quickly.
Signature on left or right?
Wherever you like. Please hand over the sheets along with your clipboard. Keep it, get a chair from there. One of you get a chair from there.
So I have to keep it chest number wise or random? Sir, I have
What do you think is better?
chest number wise.
Now leave it. Just keep it there. Please sit down. Keep your pens in your pockets. Friends, you've just written your solution. So let's have the discussion. All right? Please start.
highway. And Shiv temple, and they will evacuate the people in the Shiv temple till the police arrives at Shiv temple. Probably the most important part that taking the machine part to the research center. I think majorly everyone is agree to go to the R3 port in the hospital and take the injured man in the hospital to save the life.
And the village is about 26 kilometers away from the port club, and we have then 3 friends go to village Atri and with the help of passerby vehicles.
Meanwhile, the other people are rescuing. The group of 2 people can go to Shiv temple to rescue other people till the bomb squad arrives.
After you
taking the machine part at the research center is also important. So lastly, we have to go to research center by taking the lift from the highway, and
As we can see,
two men can go there because
element to the van, and then from the Kachcha road we can transport
in the van and also take his machine to the research.
Yeah, but we can also
I think we have to send 2 men there because the machine weighs 150
from
kg.
the person to
Sending 1 man is not
one person to be dropped at the junction of the highway, and he can go to the village Bharat to both can be done simultaneously.
Divide our team in 4 parts. The 2 of them will go to Tanpur to evacuate people
Like
and concern them
Not
about
evacuated, but informing the people.
I think firstly we have to go to R3 to save the man who was injured in the boat because the life matters more than the incident that was occurring in 1.5 hours.
Agri Act number 17. After admitting the injured person, we also inform the police and 3.
If we prioritize the task, the first task must be to rescue the people, second at the Shiv temple, third at Hala that incident happened, fourth the research center.
And after that,
The first thing we are taking a lift from the car of like around 3 persons. They are going to the highway to the village to the Atri towards. Then they put the
Yeah, 2
Kachcha road.
people can admit the injured people and 1
And then to
people
the
can
Kachcha road
rescue the
towards the
people.
village Nutpur.
So we follow the Godpur road to
And the first one is solved like this only.
and like 5 and 2. Like 2 will be going to the coconut and supplying the coconut. 3 will be going to the Atri.
I think one should be.
I think 2 people directly going to coconut will not work because thieves are already there and they have beaten a man, so there must be more than 1 thief. So if only 2 people will go there,
5%
it can be a cause. Taking coconut, there is no urgency of taking the coconut, and they can wait till the police arrives at the grove, and after that they can.
police is also important.
As bomb squad is needed for to defuse the bomb, so we will send 3% to the Atri and then 2 we will be sending to
Tanpur to inform the local
Shiv temple.
and like 5% we will be sending.
We can also add the person who are.
injured person like 2 will be taking him to the research center and 3 will be going.
I think Shiv temple has a mob around it, so we should first focus on rescuing other people and till the police arrives with the bomb squad to defuse the bomb. We should evacuate the area and tell other people to move to a safer spot away from the Shiv temple.
first problem is solved that the injured person and
But scientists also should take the scientists to with the help of the village.
Friends, after evacuating the people in Shiv temple, we should go with the.
I think we can take the help of the sources available at the boat club also. We can assume that there must be a bike and a minivan at the boat club also and take the help of the resources to address these other solutions.
And also we can see that in the boat club we can get like bikes and all that we can ask from the boat club by 1 PM so that we can also go for Manpur.
Friends, after evacuating the
A person can drop the
which is about 10 kilometers away from the village Hala, and we take the help from passerby vehicles, that is truck or a van, and after
take around 1.5 hours to complete all the tasks. They can reach easily this center before 12:30.
All right, so you had your discussion. Let's nominate somebody in the group to give out the agreed group solution.
So I'd like to nominate chest number 13 if everyone agrees.
Okay, please come next to the board. Give out the solution to me and the group.
There are 26 problems in the given picture. First is like taking the injured person from here to the health center, and also another injured person that has met with the car accident that was going to the research center has also met with an accident. So we need to provide first aid and also take him to the health center. So like we will be distributing our team in 3 parts. That is, first is 5, 3 and 2. 5 person will be taking their van with the injured person, taking him to the health center, and also taking the injured person from Jhala with them, and like 3 person will be going to the health center, and 2 will be going to the research center for providing the machine that will be required in 12th center. And like 3 person will be going to the Atri and informing the police squad and the bomb squad, for as there is a temple, as there is a bomb in the Shiv temple, and 1 person will be going into the Shiv temple, and the 2 person that were present will be taking the coconuts from here after taking the lift from the like highway, and then going after taking the lift from the highway and going to the Jhala to provide the coconut to the family, as that was the only source of income for the family. So after doing all the work, they decided to meet at this point at the middle of at the shop, and then 1 PM they met, and like 2 PM they went to Nakoda for the like sports tournament.
All right, all of you agree with the solution?
Yes, sir.
Anyone any points?
No, sir.
Sir, we also had listened to the car crash at Jhala. Meanwhile, a scientist there, and one life was there of a farmer at the boat. So there are 3 major incidents. One, we have to rescue the scientist. Second, we have to take the farmer to the hospital, the health center. And third, we have to check the car.
Are you giving the problems or giving us solution?
No, sir, we have missed one problem. That is, a car accident was listened at the Jhala. So we have to go and check that what happened at Jhala and rescue the people there.
Who was there in the car?
Sir,
Who was there in the car?
sir, they only listened the car.
Who was there in the car? Think about it. Let me know later.
Scientist.
All right, all of you, please stand up. All right, step outside. Okay. Take a 2-minute water break, and then we'll go ahead with the next task.
Yes.
Hello.